In this video, we are going to show you how you can print labels within Canix. Remember, it's important to already have your printer set up before moving forward in this process. Also, you can only print labels from the Canix web app and not the Canix mobile app. We're going to start by clicking on Template. Now, we have already pre-made some various templates depending upon the type of label or tag we want to print. But we'll just start with a plant batch tag. We'll go down to the one that says plant batch and click on it. You'll see that it will give you a couple of options to choose from. We can customize this template and save it, or we can save it as a new template, but we'll go back to that later. We'll start by implementing a plant batch tag. I've pasted one here, and the information populates through. Now, if we scroll down to available fields, we can check off exactly what information we want to include in this plant batch tag label. We can check off planted date. We can check off location. We can check off a barcode to have. And then what we can do is we can just click and drag each section one at a time and maneuver it around the label dimension to set it up just the way how we like it. Let's see. We can also add the label count, 1 of 1. And if we needed to add one, we could even include the strain name, tag number, or even a warning symbol. Even though this is a plant batch tag, and you most likely will not see a warning symbol on a plant batch tag, you could add any other type of symbol if you wanted one present. So we're going to move our barcode over. We'll have it right there in the center. That looks good. And we'll move this warning symbol up. Now, usually this type of warning symbol would be for more of a package tag, but I just wanted to show you an example of what it would look like. Now, this label already has a width and height set to it, but we can change the size of this label at any time. Maybe we want this plant batch tag to have more of a vertical feel to it and look. So we'll do some more rearranging now that the dimension is different. We'll move location. I'm going to go ahead and move the planted date. We'll have those closer to the bottom. Go ahead and put the barcode somewhere around the center. And the warning symbol, again, that would be more related to a package tag, but we'll just put it towards the bottom center. The strain name, we'll reposition that a little bit more. Okay, that looks pretty good. On second thought, I'll just move a couple more things around. We'll reposition some on the bottom. And see, you can customize it as fine-tuned as you want. Whether you want something center, top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. We're able to customize and tweak exactly how we want this plant batch tag to look. Let's say we wanted to add a custom text field. Maybe we wanted to actually say plant batch tag. We could type plant batch tag, and it would show up in the top corner. And from there, if we wanted to reposition it, we could, just like any other different field. All that's missing is that we're going to reposition the 1 of 1. So we'll go ahead and move that into the label borders in the top right corner. And now our label looks good for this plant batch tag. So I can click Save As and create a custom template based off of this layout. So every time I have to print a plant batch label tag, it will look just like this. And every available field that's on that label will automatically populate that information over. So let's say I just change this to package tags. And then if I scroll down and find my custom template, It populates everything just the way I want it, just the way I like it. I can go to the top right corner and click print. And from there, the labels start printing. So we just walked through creating a template and printing a plant batch tag. Let's just try for this go round an individual plant tag. This would be an individual planting within a plant batch. So I'm going to go ahead and paste my individual plant tag. And you'll see some of the automatic information populate over. Now let's say I want to change the number of tags. Maybe there's 10 individual plantings within one plant batch, or 3. You'll see every time I update the number of tags, the ending tag number will change. We'll just leave it at 10. In the available fields, we have the barcode checked off, location, planted date, strain name, and tag number. Then we can go to our tag and rearrange the location of these available fields. We'll move location around. We'll lift the strain name up a little bit, lift the barcode up a little bit, and the planted date. But this is a plant tag that's either in vegetative or flowering. So maybe we don't want the planted date. Maybe we want the vegetative date. We can move that there. Or if you are in a state where you don't use vegetative and only use flowering, we could just put the flowering date. So we'll move flowering down a little bit. And then we'll readjust the location. That's a good looking plant tag label. Once we have all of our information filled in, we could scroll to the top right corner and click on the print button. And all 10 plant tags will be sent to the printer for printing. Now we're going to work with creating a label that we would use for a package. So we can click on template, and from the drop down, I'm going to go to packages new. Now when we're searching for a tag number, this is a number I'm going to be pasting from my available active inventory. You'll see that the inventory number pops up, and there's some items that have pre-populated from the available fields section, like barcode and item name and net weight. I could click on the barcode and rotate it 90 degrees until it shows right side up. Then I'm going to click and drag it towards the center. Same with the item name and the weight. If I scroll down in available fields, I can add the facility license number. We can click and drag that to the bottom corner. I could add the date that this item was packaged, drag that to the bottom corner, and even have a fancy QR code if I wanted to. Multiple ways of scanning the inventory package tag. You could also add additional information if you needed to, such as test results, the facility name, license. In this case, if we wanted a warning symbol, we could add that warning symbol here. And the number of tags, in this case, let's do 50. And you'll see the ending tag number will always change as you update the number of tags you want to print. If we needed to change the width or height, we could, but this looks like a good inventory package tag. All that's left is to click print in the top right-hand corner and 50 inventory package tags will be printed. Remember, Any template you create for a custom label can be saved for future use with various dimensions and available fields. Check out this article from our Help Center if you need some help with recommended labels. So in this video, we showed you how to use the Custom Labels feature from the Canix web application. We broke down how to save your own custom label templates, how to print a plant batch tag, how to print an individual plant tag, and how to print an inventory package tag. For more tips, tricks, and tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we are uploading new training videos weekly. If you would like to review more information about our product or see it in action, feel free to reach out to us at canix.com.